Welcome back to another great day with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Never the behind the scene this morning again. So today we are head out again. I give them some pot roast chicken, some carrot with pumpkin dumpling. So we are going to grate out our carrot with cucumber and ginger. Just a little splash of lime juice. So come on with the boy Caribbean Vibes. Boss lady.
Yeah man, out. See chicken there. Yeah man. Ready. Go up a season of one thing, you know?
Yes, peeps. Blessed Sunday to you all. I don't know what things setting out there this morning again. Sweet river with some pot roast chicken, some boiled food, carrot and ginger and cucumber juice. Boom.
And last week when I carried come them to the river, like the current was too strong, so they didn't have a good time. So I'm taking them somewhere now where it's more relaxing, where they can actually get to swim and enjoy themselves. Come on. Big up to the driver.
Yeah, right away.
Yeah man, I'm my man guys. Yeah. Boss, I make it possible for you to watch the video them. Yeah, so we're ready one. So we have pick up the rest of people. Today's gonna be a jump-up day today. And I think they might invite about 2 or 3 more persons. So man, we're gonna pick them up.
Yeah man, out this morning.
Yeah guys. Right now the amount of people there on the river. I want to try to do some of my footage, but see music down there. You know? Not every time I go on try to stop person from enjoy the music. So last time we were here, the water was low, entire dry up. But now, since the rainy season approach, you know, the water come up back. So the body I go cross. Good morning, Chrissy. I start struggling with the big pot.
Heavy, a whole heap of things in that pot. You see what pot in there? And meat and mash it. Oh my word, yeah, mash it, yeah man. But I say things that we are good on for the river side. Kick off the ball for the sun there.
Thank you. Bye guys.
Hey! I just wait up now.
I go up this over
Come
there.
on, the look good. Go.
Actually, I go up Popeye Spring. To the spring right up.
Watch out, please. Look what pot. Yo, me wet. The pot. Yo, I tell you. I thought I come from you. Oh my world. Finally reach some of it up. Finally reach some of it up. That's a look good man. Oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah, so it started, huh? That's how Mother Nature started the spring. Alright, so over that side we have a next river over there, so you actually have like three river, like yeah, that the one there, so I have that there, 3 spring meet up.
One next part is sweet if I head it.
Okay, so I'm soon up into here.
So remember, so we grew up this already.
Yeah.
So you have that the one that come meet, yeah, so with this one, you have one over there.
Oh, you have one so?
A hit come through the bush there.
This one, when you come from that way there?
Yeah, a hit come through the big bush.
Okay, you come to the big bush there. Yeah, people, to reach the surface and also we all get the ball kick off. I tell you the place look good. At first, I come on a part here. Yeah, man, look on the left place. You know, when time we go to a place, we left place like that.
Well, you need to do better on this one when you come on the road.
Yeah, man, look up on the place when we need to do better, man.
Yes, so pot roast chicken, right? So normally I would just season the chicken whole and stuff it. Take longer for roast, so I'm cutting the chicken in 2 halves. So it's a faster process. Once I clean up, take off the excess skin and fat, and take off the excess feather. And stick of them are gone. So just slip under the wing. So when you slit under the wing of the chicken, it gives you a faster process of soaking the meat whenever time you are frying it or pot roasting it. Someone wash off the chicken. Then clean up, take off the excess slime. And the next set of person there actually coming. So kind of a little bit behind schedule today. But that's how it is. Not every time we are gonna be on the exact timing. So for herbs and spice, we use some blended seasoning. Get them marinated. Just out there, I'll catch up the fire.
Yeah, man. I get the fire ready. Fire ready and I put it on.
You see the behind guys can't eat.
I was eating.
Guys, you can't eat. One small person will eat the most. I crush a little bit of pimento seed. Add in it. Yeah, and this is the marination blend. A lot of herbs and spice. Onion, scallion, garlic, pepper. Powder season, you know, it's an all-purpose season, chicken season, and a little bit of meat season. Eh? Season according, eh? Season to taste, just so if anything, you can always add. So it's better to be fresh than to salt. So meat season. Yeah, another one again, guys. From our last video, jerk sorry lamb. Love the result of that video, eh? Only getting bigger and bigger and better. There was some person to link with us this week from Hanover side who actually come from Kingston, but unfortunately they're not gonna make it. I have to plan to link up with them. Big up to Gio. You know, sorry you never get to make it, bro. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of soya sauce to it. Because I don't really want to overpour the soya sauce here because we want the chicken to take time and roast and get them natural color. Yeah.
Yes, peeps, you get the pumpkin grater for your pumpkin dumpling. I think so you could do some pumpkin dumpling with carrot. So you get the pumpkin and the carrot grater. You need up the flour now if you get it on the fire. The pumpkin and grater. Rich, pretty pumpkin. Yeah, cripple that wanna sell off.
Yes, so 3 pounds of flour, guys. Big old pot of food today. One carrot with pumpkin dumpling. Yeah, I'm adding some salt. first, then you see me with this with such a big pot. I need flour in it, though. Start catch a color there, you see that? Pumpkin with carrot dumpling, you see color pretty. Add a little bit of water. Hey, I remember when we were boy, you know that. I'm just learn to make me dumpling, man. Dumplings spoil, you know.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's how I start from still, you know.
No, tell us spoil up there. Yeah, run back to more. More flour.
That's how I start from one.
Yes,
If I never that spoil flour, I couldn't have a dream. I say I want to be a chef.
Yeah.
Come go name Caribbean Vibes Cooking.
Yeah. Yes, peeps, so we're getting the dumpling in the pot now. I pot a boil up. Pumpkin dumpling with carrot.
Yeah man, another great one again. Another first from Caribbean Vibes Cooking.
Pot a boil up. Watch it.
Yeah, as I said, I made pumpkin and carrot dumpling already, but it's the first I'm actually putting it out there with a mixture of both pumpkin and the carrot. Water bubble up. How much I want to do that? You know what I want?
Man behind the scene, much flour I eat today.
How much I want, Rasta? You left a big goody this week, you know, want your belly bust.
No, half dozen. R6, you should have enough.
Half dozen enough.
Okay. Give me half dozen. Make it 6 times later.
Yeah. Great or small piece of pie, eh? Just to get the juice running. Extract the juice running, guys. Could have carried a bottle of pineapple juice. I'm a huge fan of pineapple, like huge. When you come on to pineapple, you can't get enough.
Hey, so we're getting the yam and dash in now. We're dumping them pretty man. Can't wait to get in at 2 of them.
You're right, the breadfruit that drop way from heaven. Now how we butter up?
Oh, it's a drop from me. I want to tell you, brother. You take a breadfruit, you can't feel it. You can't feel it. Breadfruit get in the can, I feel it. Oh my word, brother. All over you.
Boy, Rasta. I borrow what I flour.
Ready? I first one to oh, you make.
Yeah, it's our first one.
What you say? But the bite tape don't need the flour in the first one can come out.
Yeah. Good old days. All who grew up in a Jamaica and can't relate to flour and butter. Them are not real Jamaican, I swear. I tell you. When we are on boat, when we're more small, you can't wait for it sometime when hungry bite. You have to take out from the pot and mash up with some butter.
Yeah, peeps, don't put in it yam and the shit, so make it boil up back on them. Get in the banana.
Okay guys, so we're gonna saute the seasoning for 1 to 2 minutes. So we're gonna add the scallion in there, the garlic, the bell peppers, the onion, thyme along with the pineapple. I'm gonna stir it along with the pimento seeds. I'm gonna stir it and leave it to saute for 1 to 2 minutes.
A little bay leaf.
Yeah, and a little bay leaf. Guys, I wish you could smell this right now. The aroma is everything.
Yes, so I'm currently adding in the chicken. So it's pot roast. So as I was explaining earlier, cut them in a quarter to get a better result. So I'm just laying them over the herbs and spice along with the pineapple. And I will also add the juice on them. So I will add a little pineapple juice. So pot roast chicken takes a lot of time and patience because you have to be checking on it thoroughly and keep on turning it. So it's like a rotisserie chicken, you have to keep on turning it because you don't want it to burn, you don't want it to hitch. So as soon as the pot starts get dry, you have to literally add liquid to it.
Yes peeps, you get the carrot, start grater, and the cucumber and the ginger. So we're going to make some carrot with cucumber and ginger juice. We'll add a little lime juice in it. Yes peeps, we have some of our subscriber, a pass-through, Korean in data. Yeah man, a big up now. Yeah man, couple subscriber pass-through. So you get the carrot and the ginger and the cucumber grater. The best way. The grater is natural. The thing you get out of it. I hate Steve. That's one stick and stay till when time we done. So yes peeps, you can see banana ready, breadfruit ready, carrot dumpling with the pumpkin ready. So we're going to take off the pot now. And you'll get them off fire. Press the right side of fire, we can just go and catch his heat, see how you don't know. Yeah man, stick and stay till one time way.
Yeah, I'm currently turning the chicken. As you guys can see, it's actually catching color. So as I was explaining before, pot roast chicken takes a lot of patience, a lot of turning. So it's actually catching the color. And you can smell the aroma coming
Flavor,
from.
spice, herb.
Yeah man, so when I subscriber pass, you know we always have subscriber come through and support, show love to Caribbean vibes. So I'm making taste the juice on the pot roast chicken. Man can't even wait people, you see that?
Daddy, 1 second.
Yeah.
That is it, you hear that?
Yeah man, it's so ready man.
That
Yeah,
is
man,
it.
the chicken actually a catch
Father,
color.
call up on the thing now. Nothing but quality, is it?
Yeah man, it actually a catch good
Right up
color.
there.
Yeah. Okay, baby want to taste the sauce, guys. You have to ensure it's well cool. Taste it.
How it is?
Hey!
Let's breathe. Okay, that's why we choose to come at this river because last
Bathing now in my swimsuit.
so I must apologize for last week. Last week we can't go Baram, like they couldn't go in that water, current was too strong. I'm here alone jump off. Yeah.
Water strong on this. So you're not talking like camera how you enjoy river.
Remember
Hi,
to
princess.
Like, comment, and subscribe. No, remember to like and comment and subscribe to the Big Bad Boss channel and top step, you hear that?
I want respect. Oh,
Yes peeps, let's check for the chicken now. Can smell the flavor. herb and its spice. But you can smell the pineapple sauce.
Yeah, and see it actually I catch good color.
Yeah.
Yeah. No burn, but you just catch it natural.
Natural color. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, so no need for the sun there. Pot roast chicken with carrot dumpling mixed with pumpkin, banana, yam and breadfruit. Carrot juice with cucumber and ginger. Yeah, so no need for the
a little splash of lime juice. Brother, how you all left out the lime juice?
Yeah man, a little tubs of lime juice.
A whole heap of fish in the spring, you know. And I tell you, so when you jump off in the look, I say they're not going to start biting.
There we go.
That's cool though.
Yeah.
A few hours know about up or something.
Yeah.
Not sure. Try to get. Yeah, the beat out the arm them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna squeeze the juice, carrot with cucumber, ginger. And I'm gonna sweeten it with just a splash of lime juice. One squeeze me I get in. You know, no long water juice. Yeah, you're chewing at each one, squeeze. Look like you can add a little bit more water to it. I want to see the people. Carrot with cucumber juice, you know? All natural today.
Natural.
You can actually smell it with ginger. And that's one thing I like about ginger. It have a lot of flavor. And it have also a lot of health benefit too, you know? Yes man, chicken there. Looking good.
Yeah.
So Rasta, you know what on today?
I'll take a week.
Yeah. Chicken ready. We have full house today, as I promised you guys. Today was gonna be a full house. Yeah, chicken ready.
I'm gonna copy subscribe and roll through. More peeps are come see me. Yes peeps. Right now I want to subscribe and say I look to the pumpkin dumpling with the carrot.
Mix up the real dumpling.
Yeah, man, so I give him 3 or 4 of them, man. You don't know what things say. Out there, man. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. And we say cooking to the world, you know.
Fully to the world. Fully up this.
Best dumpling.
Yeah, man.
Yes, so I make some pot roast sauce and all, you know. I use but the same herbs and spice. With some additional fresh herbs.
No man, the sauce but not lie. See? The sauce but we can't eat. You're very close to the pot.
Can't wait for the pot.
Can't wait for the pot, vlog.
Yes, man.
I'm telling you, I'm going to wait, dog. When I flour and stuff, please.
You play a crazy thing I go on today for the vlog.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Guys, we can't even wait, man. I tell you. Nice. Sauce bad. Well, we have to we can't even eat it. We have to wait till it's cold.
For Nadisha, still no want to come out for an iPad. Eh?
Sweet one.
Use some honey, guys. Just a little bit of honey. One spoon.
Sauce, man. The sauce.
Yeah. At least a little bit more, so you can see the thickness in the sauce. And that base up of everything we boil out from the pot roast chicken. It's a pot roast stock. So the stock I hit this. So we don't add nothing to it but just little water and some fresh herbs and spice with a little bit of honey. Yeah guys, I tell you from me actually a shoot vlog at the first me see so many people come out to support Team Caribbean Vibes. You know we have to bust another champagne for that, you know? Yeah.
Caribbean Vibes
to
to
give
the world.
ancestors them some same way, you know?
Yes, man.
You want right now if you sit down on the bottom of the river, like more than 12 somebody down there with pot to cook. To me about 100 person down there right now. And so I go try to see if I can get some recording from down the guys soon. And so this is for the cameraman, you know. Cheers, never. Yes sir, and this is for the boss lady.
Yeah, man, the great coolie, man.
You ever taste a sauce when you ever taste a sauce when you taste the sauce you have to laugh like an idiot. So it's sweet.
Oh my
I want a
God.
full of formula. Our formula daddy.
Yeah.
What you call it?
KFC now give the ingredients.
No, so we not give you one night.
Another hit in
Yes,
the
coolie.
Yeah man,
Finally.
Yeah, man, finally man. There man, you
The
see?
real brother.
Up top man.
Big up.
Subscribe.
Yeah, man.
The one tough man.
Yes, peeps. Boat finally land.
Yeah,
I
man.
tell you, amount of more there to them and I know how. But we have to go make it share. Yeah, man. I get the food start, share out and out. The amount of subscribers roll out to them. Caribbean Vibes, oh my world. I get the food start out there.
So we have to do there, you know.
Yeah.
So that means that everybody can get something out of the pot today, you know.
Yes, sir.
You know, allow Rasta, because Rasta is a man, they say me follow him.
You call me now, get it.
He say, he didn't hear, he's so forward.
Yeah. Adding in the sauce now, you know.
Sauce, man. Sauce.
Adding on the sauce. Ensure that everybody so they actually get
Great.
Caribbean vibes.
Yes, man.
Chrissy,
Forward, forward.
come.
Come, look, come in on.
Oh, yeah, then
It's time to start the roast chicken. Yummy. The chicken is succulent, really nice. Thumbs up. Excellent.
So we not coming out. What I'm doing this week? Come like 3 bars there, you turn Papa show me.
You should know what?
No come back in on.
No, I don't know the breast.
Which one this?
The breast.
That's another. That's a whole.
This is a breast.
The one with the breast.
From this.
Hi. Only the banana.
Come in now, Father. Come in now. Father, come in now, man.
You come in now?
Yeah. Yeah, man. You share that. I'm asking you. It last you. Yes, sir. Come in, man.
Oh, we're out here. Fully. Wildlife.
Yes, man.
You want to go on?
No, man. If you are thing, I do different, man. You know what about
I'll breast in this, man.
Yeah, man. You know what about that, man.
Talk about you.
I best stop chef them, hear that?
Yes, sir.
What is on him? Carrot and pumpkin.
Carrot and pumpkin done.
Not at first. Alright, now go. Regenerate again and shape your little baby one.
What's the reaction them?
Come
Viewers and subscribers, I want to taste that one of daddy. I want to know that. 100,000 out of 10.
Guys, the dumpling tastes nice, swear, no joke. You know I'm a foodie, and this dumpling really nice. You should try it out.
Carrot and pumpkin dumpling. The pot roast chicken nice, but I want some more, but I'm not going to get no more because about 20 I was there here today. I'm feeling enough today. Thumbs up, guys.
There's a too long forward.
Right. Yo, boss. Alright, you long way.
Hey, Daddy, we have phone then. Give me a call.
Yeah, you don't on the bottom.
I'll yeah, call him too. And he not answer.
Actually, what you phone in bag?
Yes, beef. But it was chicken with pumpkin dumpling and carrot, banana yam. But right now, our one fish me I eat. I tell you, people they can't tell us, yeah. Great. Yeah, man, it's a good look to them, man. Caribbean vibes.
We say come eat about 3 times now. Eh? I go tap carry one. Because look how we have to go push in a wheelbarrow and get too big.
Hey, keep on drumming down, man. Guys, I'm not lying. 2 plates I got today. Food really nice. Tastes good. Pot roast chicken and a pineapple sauce. And I like with carrot and pumpkin dumpling. The dumpling was magnificent. I love it. It was just soft and delicious. The chicken, oh my word. Right?
What's on beer over here?
Yeah.
That's it.
If a 3 flour gone, you know. 2 pieces of breadfruit, I'm saying that's it, you know. There you go, I'm not there. Sauce much, there. Roast chicken night. God, how you send down the flavor you come the ingredients for the chicken and father? Are you alone? Could I make it? I lie? People. I don't know, people abroad, anywhere in there, need to link up. You hear that? Channel or start now, we can link up and go taste them cooking in person. In a real life. I got alone give them ingredients and them a flavor.
Great, babe. That's the sun.
About 5 minutes ago, like rain was coming down real hard and then it just gone back to normal.
A good look, man.
Yeah, well, we are cut the vlog, guys, because it's like Chrissy, they don't want me to eat no food today, everybody. Busy out. I try with every dog this, ever hide.
Yeah, man.
I get at least 20%.
I first we actually cook for so with the person.
Yeah.
About 20 or 25.
Yeah, man, if you come out, man.
And the older get bigger and bigger every week.
Yeah.
We have to start hide the people them.
So guys, today I wash we here.
So you want to talk about it?
Ladies, I'm gonna take a
here.
swim.
Yeah guys, the water nice and cool, nice. Clear water, natural water, no chlorine. Yeah, swim for me. So
Swing for the van like Tarzan.
I'll buy the food and then the party bag. Without the music,
Cameraman say, want to take a jump. Jump, no cameraman, jump, man.
I make you no con jump.
A good look. Caravan vibes teams out. Eat and full them belly and now them come take a swim. Yeah, man. It's a good look, people.
Yeah, Rasta, wash up the things them now, people.
Yes, peeps, we are lined up as I can see. We really like it to come back down again. It's a jeep. So, I get the things them line up. And then after we done wash up the back, we get to wash up and get me not to wash out. Yeah, man. So we just have to go and wash up the back. In the meantime, yes, peeps. It was a wonderful day spent with the subscribers. And we'll soon roll out.
Boy, I don't want so much of them come next week, guys. I swear. About 20 of them this week.
Man, people there roll out. You know what they hear about?
Like a ant's nest there.
Like a ant's nest. Yes, man. Pick up a pizza, man. I like that, man. Fully active.
Hey guys, me love me subscriber them down to the ground, but me don't want so much of them come out again, guys. Like too much of them, like we have to have one container of food for them. Like why is they know so they a river? Me I tell you that they just a pop in, and you know why food is there, food available, you know we are going to always say alright, eat food, but me I tell you it was a good day today, guys. It was a good day. Really enjoy the day when it come on to the content. You know? Yeah, Chrissy, what do you think about the dumpling I was asking you earlier?
That was very nice.
Oh, thank you. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
What about it you like?
What about the dumpling that you like?
Don't be shy, come on, don't be shy.
We like what the dumpling. It's nice. It's nice, guys. It was really nice. I enjoyed it. The carrot dumpling was soft. Just yeah, get everything from the flavor and everything. So you know sometimes when I eat dumpling you kind of tough, but that is really soft. So all of you have no meat, it was a camp one. So
Come and see.
I really enjoyed it.
Would you want to try it again?
Yes, I would love to. Why not?
Make sure you have your money.
Yeah, right. Just so you know, I will need Richana talk.
Where's the come? Broke on answer. What about the food you like now, come?
I love everything about the food. The chicken, it was wonderful. First time eating the patio chicken, and it was wonderful. The seasoning, magnificent, right to the bone.
That's why you eat 3 times.
I love the chicken so bad. Even the gravy, the sauce, the sauce was finger licking. And
bring a load one eat, like about one half side of chicken.
Every minute you come back, but give me peace. I am not giving none. I'm not giving none. I don't want to give none of you.
How man can study that chicken?
More.
I give my height.
Guys, see there. Man speechless. What do you think about the pot roast chicken, sir?
Yeah, pot roast chicken, bad, you know, like. You would have wanted to get outside because it would have to share, but tastes very good. Yeah, no complaint, but it just perfect. Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, as me telling you a couple weeks ago, we're actually in the process of ordering our first drone for the channel. So you know, so Caribbean Vibes is all about giving you guys info when you come on to the channel and progress when you come on to the channel. Yes, so right now, I actually purchased a brand new DJI Mavericks 2 drone. So, you know, we don't know nothing about drone as yet, so I have to take our time and feel it out before actually start put it out there. But in our process, man, we actually purchased a drone now. So it not really deliver to us in Jamaica yet. So in the next couple of weeks, I go there, man. So we are work, we aim to give you great content, you know, content where person can relate to and enjoy, not only about the cooking, but when it come on to great scenery, you know, we want everyone to can enjoy watching it, enjoy beautiful Jamaica, cause as I explain time and time, like Jamaica one of the warmest and nicest place to me on earth. Like I would never trade Jamaica for the world. You know? Jamaica, to me, Jamaica is like heaven. It's Jamaica, matter of fact, Jamaica is my heaven on earth. So when it come on to content, I go always deliver good content. I go always go on good content because you have so many Jamaicans who they overseas where from them leave Jamaica, they never actually come back to Jamaica like even 15, 20 years. And I feel so good for me personally can deliver content where them can relate and love. I want so that. Remember, love, like, comment, share and subscribe, man. Peace out.
People dog I go swim.
Just to wash out the air. We can't swim. I don't want to go swim. Just to get a ear wash. I don't know. Can't swim.
Aja guys, Aja.
Yeah, what a knife!
Why the John one?
Hey!
Yeah, boss, everything good. How was it? Alright, sir. Yeah.
What a nice pips!
Watch out, people! You better use condition before you use shampoo.
I'm boy.
Dog, not use condition and shampoo. What?
No, sir. So that's how you know.
You're not used to it?
Yeah, I'm used to it.
Oh, then you know you have to use the shampoo first. Go wash your husband here, what? Are your job? Are your job? Go wash your husband here.
So today the river well festive. Chrissy, you jump today?
Yeah, I'm jumping today, guys. Ready?
Lego, Chrissy.
So the river well festive today, guys. Well festive. Like sweet of people come out today, like everywhere you turn, you can actually see people have them pot with their kids. So you can actually see the river full today, guys. Well festive.
Jump down, nigga. Hey, come down, nigga.
Dog, get out, jump. Eh? Yeah, jump, come.
Jump, and jump for water and push up.
Guys, come on, go jump today.
Jump, come.
Come, the dog, come on, one. Yeah, dog, come, the one. If a dog jump, a dog jump.
Hold me, fuck up.
Really long time.
Ah, come, my last one this, so I make the money and play what they music.
Come. The dark one. If you're eating
Yeah, come I go jump now, guys.